Have you ever wondered how the Facebook algorithm works? Well, if you imagine that the Facebook algorithm is like a spider, and it has this spider web, and in the spider web it flies land, and the flies are actually data. And then the spider eats the flies, it eats the data, and it becomes stronger. The more flies it eats, the stronger it gets, and the more efficient it becomes. So when we feed the algorithm or the spider with these flies or data, then it becomes stronger, and it starts to learn more and more about who's your ideal client or your ideal customer, and it becomes better and better at finding them for you. So we have to feed it some flies or some data for it to find our ideal clients. So in the beginning it's not going to be so good, but the more flies it eats, the better it becomes, and the faster it'll be able to find your clients or your customers.